So, hello guys! Today, kwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga experiences ko sa Switzerland. 3 days lang pala kami ng bakasyon. So, short pero as in, ang ganda ng lugar. This is Lake Thun, one of the lakes na nakapaligid sa Interlaken. So, dun yung destination namin. From my place, nag-travel kami ng around 6 hours. So, pero grabe, ang worth it ng travel. By the way, Interlaken is located in the Bernese Oberland region. The city lies in a narrow, long valley between the emerald green Lake Thun and Lake Breens. We traveled first week of November, so you can see the leaves are changing its colors. Fall colors. Ang ganda niya. In Interlaken, you can do many activities. If you're adventurous, you can try skydiving, paragliding. Here, we are traveling going to Skydive Switzerland. Of course, hindi ako magdadrive. Yung friend ko, ako lang yung documentary team. So, yung place nila is napakaganda talaga. By the way, almost lahat sila mga bata pang magdadrive. So, around 6 or 7. Then suddenly we passed by this. Oh, ang ganda. So, dahil nasa documentary team ako, I had filmed everything that she will do as support to my best travel buddy, Bebe March. Lahat mga Asians yung magdadive ngayon. So, mga mostly Koreans. Fallschirmspringen pala ang tawag dun, auf Deutsch. Before they dive, meron silang maiksing orientation on what to do, what to expect, anong gagawin sa paglalapag na, anong gagawin pag tumalon na. So yun, nakaka-enjoy silang tingnan. And here you can see may tumalon na. So, mabilis na naman yung talon nila. Siguro around 15 minutes lang from going up till going down. This activity cost a lot. So, dapat asin gustong-gusto mo siyang gawin. Tapos, nakapag-ipon ka before ka pumunta dito. Kasi it costed around 450 euros with including pictures and videos na during na pagtalon mo. So, ganun. Bucket list kasi talaga ng BBM ko. BBM ko yan, kaya ginawa niya. So, I am so happy and proud na kinaya niya yung adrenaline rush. Sa first day namin, ito lang yung activity namin, and we just walk around the city after she had the skydive. So, here she is. Wow! Oh! Then after that, we went back to the city. So, naglibot kami sa Untersee. It is near lang ng Interlaken. Sobrang lamig-lamig ng tubig dito as in. And it's very clear. So, trinay ko talagang mag-dip daw. Mag-dip ng kamay ko sa river. It's a dam. Called Ari River between Untersee and Interlaken. So, napakalinis talaga niya. So, makikita mo lang as in, walang basura, dahon lang. Dahon from the trees. Yun, nakakatuwa lang tingnan na sobrang linis, sobrang malinaw talaga yung tubig nila. wala ka masasabi, as in napakalinis. Then natuwa din kami dito sa mga itik na to. We saw strange itik Switzerland. Hindi ko alam kung itik talaga siya o the bird ba ito. Sabi nila when you travel Switzerland, sobrang magastos. Yeah, totoo. Pero merong mga activities na you don't need to spend money. Like what we did on our first day. Pagkahapon, nagkakad lang kami within the city. Then, it's for free. You will enjoy the scenic view, the richness of nature, the peacefulness of the place itself. So, ganun lang. You don't need to spend every time money to be happy and just appreciate things as it is and enjoy. You head towards north, then you will see the beautiful Peking Alps, where I took my pictures. And so yun nga, naglakad lang kami ulit. We reached the park, Hohemata Park. Here you can see many cows na may bells sa neck nila, and maririnig mo tayong kalimbang. Parang totoo talaga si Heidi. So yun, we enjoyed it here. So we waited here the moonrise, as in ang ganda-ganda niyan. On the background you can hear also the kalimbang ng mga baka. What are my travel tips for this? So una, we book an apartment para nakakapagluto kami ng breakfast and cheaper way to spend your vacation. Then book Sabre Day Pass. Nagbook kami, so we downloaded SBB. Kasi sa Sabre Day Pass, you can just hop up, half on sa mga bus, sa trains, and sa boat. Pwede kayong magamit yan. Check the weather always. Then it's important to book ahead of time kasi every day nagbabago yung cost ng mga tickets and everything. So take also with you a good camera for your documentation. So like that, wow. And syempre for memories. Here, makulit kami. May naglalampong siya na baka. So, dito naman, tinabihan ko siya. On our day 2, pumunta kami sa Lauterbrunnen. It's the falls na very famous. Maliit lang siyang village. So, napakaganda niya. Actually, there are 3, sabi nila 3 falls. Pero 1 lang yung nakita namin. Yung isa very light lang, yung tubig. Hindi barely makikita ng mata mo pag hindi mo talaga ipo-focus. So, merong maliit na village. Yan nga. Sobrang ang ganda talaga ng place na to. Malapit lang siya sa Interlaken. About around 25 minutes kami nag-travel by bus and then train. So, yan. Medyo foggy. Sobrang aga namin. Kaya wala kami mga kasama. So, we need to test again the water kung ano ba talaga. Sabi kasi nila, merong akong mga nabasa na in Switzerland, you can barely drink water sa mga galing sa mga falls and sa mga ganito. Natakot lang ako mag-try na mag-inom kasi baka sumaki yung tiyan ko o whatever. Mag-travel pa naman kami for the whole day. So, yun. Pero sobrang lamig talaga, as in you can see foggy and yung lamig as in, pero
sobrang ganda kasi. Tapos yun, mandatory picture by mama and papa.
So next stop namin is Bingen. Sa taas lang siya ng Lauterbrunnen. So from there you will see overlooking ng mga Alpines. When we get here, it was raining, pero maganda naman talaga siya. So yan, sabi ko nga, always check the weather. Kasi you never know when the rain is coming. So, yan, naka-raincoat na ako. So, grabe ang lamig yung hangin, yung lamig ng rain. Tsaka, para kami mga basang bibi here. So, yun. Hindi kami masyadong nagtagal sa Vingan kasi nga we need to head to Grindelwald. So, around 1 hour pa ang travel nun from here. So, yan. Mabilis lang kami sa Vingan. Pero, maliit lang siyang village pero napakaganda. On our way to Grindelwald, nasa right side ako nakaupo. And film ko talaga yung river na napakaganda. Sobrang linaw niya. As you can see, ang linis. In my eyes, no, it is color greenish na tortoise. Parang ganon. So, basta ang linaw niya. Sana nga gusto ko din mag-test ng water pero hindi pwede. One thing din na nagustuhan ko during this travel, lahat ng trains is equipped siya ng pwede ka makapag-charge ng mga equipments mo like phone, like cameras. You just need to bring your charger with you. So, in fact, einstecke, tapos yun, charge ka na ulit to film everything. So, yan, ang ganda. And almost lahat ng train na nasakyan namin, lahat ng inspector talaga, they are strictly validating your tickets. So you guys, when you're using your Saver Day Pass, always be ready. Kung hindi naman kayo kuha ng Saver Day Pass, always check with you your tickets. They are issuing 2 tickets with when you buy in the ticket booth. So here we reach Grindelwald. So it's already afternoon na. So gutom na kami. Sa Switzerland, expensive talaga ang pagkain, but it was worth it. Ang sarap niya. Here, makita niyo yung mga alpines na sa taas talaga meron siyang mga snows. Amaze ako. Hindi ko mapaniwala na nasa Switzerland ako. Next stop namin is Eiselwald. Kung fan kayo ng Crash Landing on You, this is a place to be kasi dito nag-shoot yung Crash Landing on You nung may piano scene nila. Hindi ako masyadong familiar dun sa series na yun, pero ang ganda-ganda dito. Ito yung Lake Brins, the other side ng Interlaken. Pag winter, wala sila ditong boat riding, so it's closed for public. Then, sobrang ganda lang niya, and ang peaceful, ang clear din ng water, and it's really color blue tortoise na water. So, nag-emote din tayo doon. After that, bumalik na kami ulit sa city, and on the first day, nagkikrave talaga ako ng ice cream na to sa Banini. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Worth it din yung 9 euro. 9 euro ice cream. It was craving satisfied. So, yun. On our third day, pumunta naman kami sa Harderkom. This is our way going to Harderbahn. Yan, funicular. Sumakay kami dyan, papuntang taas. Yung peak ng Harderkom. It's almost 1,000 meter up above. So, that day, hindi kami nakapag-film sa taas kasi sobrang foggy kasi ang aga-aga pa namin. Pero yung pagbaba namin, this was the view, so mesmerizing. I enjoy it kahit pababa na. So, ganun guys, this is Interlaken. The color of the leaves, nag-a-add pa siya sa sobrang ganda. Then, sad to say, we need to say goodbye for now sa Switzerland. This is our trip going home. So, syempre, another 6 hours travel going back to Hamburg from Switzerland. So, yun, I really enjoy this trip. Isa lang ang naging realization ko talaga. When you have dream in your life, you need to be determined sa lahat ng mga bagay na pagdadaanan mo. Gaya ngayon, hindi ko inakalang makakarating talaga ako dito sa lugar na to. So, ganon. I am so happy and blessed na merong mga taong ginamit si Lord para makapunta ako sa Germany and to travel Europe. I hope you guys you get something or learn something from this video. Thank you for supporting my new venture. Hindi pa talaga ako professional mag-take ng mga videos and gumawa ng videos, yun nga. Pero I really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe on my channel, ikWENTo. So, I will leave you here. Enjoy the rest of my video and thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Cheers.